everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. We're working on the Christmas tree, and I wanted to talk to you about, we've got the ribbon on. The next step I do when I do a Christmas tree is I add the large elements. For example, one of the large elements in my tree is poinsettias. So I do a zigzag pattern and I added 3 poinsettias on the tree. And then my next large element are these moose. And I added 2 of those tucked into the tree branches. And then I added this, incorporated this sign. Which I don't know if you can see the sign very well. I added the home for the holidays camper sign because I'm doing a camper tree. And my next large element will be these gold flowers. They're gold magnolias. And I will add 3 of those into the tree and nestle them into the branches. And I always go in a zigzag pattern. And these are nice because they add a little bit of gold texture to the tree. And I'll bring you up close to scan the tree so you can see there's the gold. And then here's a poinsettia. Here's the camper sign. Over here is the moose. And then